Early step on street, cool dupe on my feet. Me see your shadow move, silent with pride. Me I watch your back every single day. Sunrise edge, basket in your hand. Walk past my gate, hardly say a word. Eye contact brief, no both understand. Word over wait, duty call again me heard. Sweet scent of time, wake me from my bed. Your arms soft freedom as you go. Sweat on your bro, face never show. Girl, your strength is a story untold. Me see you on the struggle, me feel your weight is true. Me wish me could help you, but me know you push through. Woman, me see how you rise. Me see it every blessed morning. Every morning sun catch you there. Every morning sun catch you there. Every morning sun catch you there. Me dip on the sidewalk, breathing in the spice. Me a question your own value, me trying to think twice. You pass my body heavy, words on your face. So me ask you softly, how long this race? You laugh deep, say this run never done. Push forward like wind, no time for run. Me try walk beside you, learn every step. Realize me weak, but me full of respect. The world still a move, rhythm strong enough for the pick your battles. Me just look, hear my voice now. You inspire my soul, like thunder right behind me. Heel push out control. Me want tell the world what me never could say. Is to lift me up, help me find my way. Woman, me see how you rise. Me see it every blessed morning. Every morning sun catch you there. Every morning sun catch you there. Every morning sun catch you there. Me I watch you still, silent but true. Every morning sun catch you there.